Hey everybody, I'm Robert with Cripple Creek Farms, and this here is our newest barn find, a New Holland 565 square baler. Do me a favor and drop a comment below if you've ever owned or operated one of these balers. Let me know what you think this baler is worth as it sits untested, or what it should be worth if I can take it right out in the field and put out a good square. Here in just a little bit, I'll let you know what we paid for it, untested, and then we can see how well we did or didn't do. We were told this baler was barn kept and that it had been sitting for a good little bit. The chamber was completely full of old material that we went ahead and got out so that we could see if the machine spun freely. Good thing for us is everything seemed to spin and function as should. In another video, we plan on going through the operator's manual, which also lucky for us was still with the machine, and making sure that everything is within spec and hopefully get to test it out for the second cutting this year. The first thing we're going to do is completely blow off the baler with compressed air to get the vast majority of the material off before we go in behind with a pressure washer. I know it's controversial pressure washing around anywhere with bearings, but we plan on putting back more grease into the baler than it probably has had in its life. We're also pretty careful not to put the head of the pressure washer too close to the machine to where it's actually penetrating hard enough to blow out any grease in any bearings. So I think it'll be just fine. This is our first run at owning and operating a square baler, so we're a bit nervous to get it out in the field and find out if there's any kinks or anything that we're going to have to work out. If this baler, though, can put out a good square and not have any major issues, we have some big plans for it in the future. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that. Alright, so what did we pay for the new Holland 565? Well, we actually wound up paying an even $4,000 for it. There are a couple little things I noticed with it, like the wheel is missing on the pickup head that rolls along the ground to prevent your pickup teeth from digging into it, and one or two other little small things, but overall it looks like a great machine and I feel like we got a pretty good deal on it. Again, be sure to let me know in the comments how you think the baler cleaned up and what you think it should be worth once it's out in the field putting out good squares. I think that's going to do it for this video though. Next video of the 565 we'll go through the baler and get it ready to go out in the field and may even try to put out a couple squares for you with it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, which as a reminder is 100% free. A quick little something before I sign off. It's been awesome seeing this channel take off the last couple weeks, and we truly appreciate each of you and those who have reached out with kind words and support. That said, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one.